guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another banger video. As you can see, we got the truck in the background, so you know what that means. We are back to doing mods to this thing. Those of you that asked, as I promised in previous videos, this thing is about to get a lot more love. I just finished washing off 2 months of neglect off of it. So yeah, man, we're about to start getting back into the mods on this thing and show this thing the love that she's been missing. Okay, so as you can see, we got a package from LASFIT LED lighting. So if you've been following the channel for a while, you will know that I've done a video on LASFIT LEDs before, about 2 years ago now. So I thought it was only 1 year, but I looked back and it was actually 2 years. But unfortunately, this is how we riding right now. Okay. Yep. So as you can see, we are on the stock 5202 bulb right now, which is absolutely unacceptable, especially when you ride this clean. So let's change that. So here we have the passenger side LASFIT LED bulb, and to be honest, this thing actually still lights up fine. Problem lies is, as you can see, that little tab is starting to break, or it actually is broken compared to the top one. A Houston pothole took this out, and it took 2 years to do it. So if that doesn't tell you about quality, I don't know what does. So what we have here is another set of 5202 bulbs, and as you can see, it says Switchback. So let's go ahead and take a look. Have product manual, aka instructions. Don't need that. Got a sticker, so what is this, 3 stickers, so 15 horsepower right there. And as you can see, we have the bulbs. Now, for these bulbs, what it means by switchback, so you have your normal white LED, and then you toggle the fog light button again, and it will turn to amber. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get these installed on the truck. Okay, so before I go ahead and throw these in the truck, I just wanted to show you guys. So obviously we have our bulb here. You have a connection. You have this 5-prong connection that will connect to the, as you can see, this ballast here. And then this is going to connect to your OEM port. This one has a fan in it, so you ain't gotta worry about the bulb overheating. That's a big issue with LEDs. And obviously, like I said, this one lasted 2 years, so I don't have a question that these are gonna work just fine. But yeah, back to the original plan. I'm gonna go ahead and install these on the truck. Okay, so far, put it in the passenger side, and right now I have it on the amber function. Look at how yellow that is, man. Right here, this is obviously still the original one that I already had, but you guys can see the difference. That is a nice little cosmetic look right there. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna still ride with the white ones on a lot, but the yellow joints, man, that thing looks pretty cool right there. Oh yeah, that's definitely a wallpaper right there. But anyways, let me go ahead and put it in the driver's side, and I'll cut back in. Okay guys, so went ahead, I got both sides in now. I'm gonna go ahead and prop you guys up and show you guys what they look like on both modes. So hopefully it doesn't glare too much, but yeah, show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're on the white light setting right now. Definitely great product we have here. So, but I want to know, which mode do you guys like more? Do you like mode 1 or do you guys like mode number 2? I thought I was gonna ride on mode 1 a lot more, but after seeing this yellow up against, you know, the rest of the truck, this yellow looks great. But so yeah guys, I know you can't really tell on camera, but in person they are, look, it's still very much daylight out. You can see they're projecting on the ground a little bit. You can't tell, but they're shining up against the garage over there. I mean, they're pretty bright, so I can only imagine what they're gonna do at the night and whenever it gets dark. So that will probably be the last part of this video, seeing how bright they are at nighttime. But so far, I am happy with how they're looking. I was skeptical about switchbacks on headlights and fog lights, but they seem to work good so far. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I mean, the white always looks good though, can't deny that. But yeah, like I said, pretty much last part of the video, we're gonna see how bright they are at night, and that'll be the ending. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think it's worth it to put on your truck or car? You know, I'm pretty sure they have these in every application you could possibly think of. But yeah, like I said, probably the next clip is going to be at nighttime. We're going to see how bright they are on both modes once again, and let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so as promised, I did say the next clip would be us showcasing these at night, and it is indeed nighttime. So what I'm going to do is, this is, as you see, Perla right here, and I'm gonna basically be showing you how bright these are aimed at those bushes. And as you can see right now, those bushes are well lit right now. So if I go over here and I just completely turn off the lights, so obviously the camera will show some lighting, but it's actually darker than what you guys see right now. I'll turn it back on, only the headlights, and then, well, you see it lit up yellow that time. And there's our white light setting. As you can see, I have great visibility with these lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what they look like with just the fog lights. So here we go. So turn off automatic lighting. So once again, the only thing I have on right now are the park lights. So I'm going to start with the white light setting, and then we're going to do the yellow. So go ahead, turn on the white lighting. And once again guys, this is just with the fog lights on. You can see no headlights on. And look, you can pretty much drive around with just these on by themselves. And then we change over to the yellow. Even the yellow is still pretty bright. Now, a driving tip, you will rather use the yellow for like rain, snow, pretty much conditions that aren't normal. The yellow will help you break through the visibility issues at night. So that's pretty much what the yellow setting is for as far as functionality goes, but let's be honest, the yellow looks good. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys from inside the truck. As you guys know, this windshield is at a 50% tint level, so it's not as clear as a normal OEM windshield. So and if you're wondering, it doesn't really make that big of a difference. I'm gonna be honest with you, but at the same time, you can tell when you have windows down versus tint. So let's do that. So I did turn the truck off so you guys can hear a little better, but we are inside, and like I said, so 50% tint film, and that's outside. So you can, if I do like that, you can tell that there's a slight difference between inside and outside, but not big enough to where you're blind in here. But once again, so I want to show you guys. So if I turn the knob back, this is just low beams. Okay, so we turn low beams off, and then we do fog lights only. Look at that. That is just the fog lights, guys. That is not with my low beam headlights. And to prove it to you, there's my low beam headlights with the fog lights. So turn that back off. So this is with the white light setting, and then we go over to the yellow. That is with yellow lighting, and this is behind my windshield. So as you can see, fog lights give off great visibility. They are just truly great. You can see, you know, obviously with everything off, you can only pretty much see the silhouette of the bushes. They look like unlockable characters right now, but now we know who we unlocked. All right, guys, so I just want to show you guys one more time what they look like. Of course, this is on a yellow setting. I drove home from work with this setting on. Okay, and now we have the white light setting. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this setting right here, which is the white light, or do you guys like this setting with the amber lights, the yellow? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. With that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you guys want to pick one of these sets up for your truck or your vehicle. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.